To check IMEI number on CMF Phone 2 Pro, first of all, we can go to Settings. Over here, choose Network and Internet. Now go to SIMs, and then you should be able to find your SIM card. So you can choose, for example, SIM 1 in order to find the first IMEI number. We can press and hold our finger in order to copy it. And you can do the same thing with the second SIM card if you have one. So over here you should be able to find this IMEI number. There is also another way to check IMEI. In the settings we need to scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, and then over here, as you can see, we have both IMEI numbers, and we can tap on them in order to see them. We can also tap on See All in order to also find additional information, but in general this is how we can find IMEI. Unfortunately, the only way to copy the number is by tapping on it, and then we need to press and hold our finger on this number, which is not exactly the same as before, but still possible. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!